Right, good day to all my wonderful online viewers. Just to remind you, if this is your first time of watching this YouTube channel and you have not subscribed, it won't cost you money. Just press the subscribe button, strike the bell also for notification of other videos, and other videos when they come on board, you'll be able to see them. Thank you for viewing. Let's continue watching this video. I say good day to all my online students. We have done some couple of videos on hydrocarbon, on isomerism, on how to name hydrocarbon. Make sure you watch all these videos: isomerism of pentane, isomerism of ethane, and every other thing under it. Ensure you watch it. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, it will not cost you anything. Just press the subscribe button, press the comment below. Let's go on. What is the topic? Alkane and Alkyl. Pronounce with me. Alkane and Alkyl. Now, these are different entities under hydrocarbon. Alkane has a general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkyl has a general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1. One is plus 2, the other one is plus 1. And look at the comparison here. Then you see the difference for yourself. See, alkane is CH4 for methane. The first member of alkyl is CH3. Now, that formula, that molecular formula has played a very big difference here, such that this is CH4, this is CH3, this is methane, this is methyl, this is ethane, this is ethyl. Now, let's move on. If N is 1 for CnH2n plus 2, hope you are writing. This one is going to give you CH4 when N equals 1. This one gives you CH3. The same thing, this one gives you C2H6. This one gives to you C2H5. Let's move on here. We have C3H8 for propane. The corresponding under alkyl is C3H7 for propyl. Now, the propyl can be written in two forms. Yes, the propyl can be written in two forms. Let's look at the two forms. Number 1 is the normal propyl. Number 2 is sec propyl. Look at the normal propyl. This one contains the correct number of carbon. This one contains the correct number of carbon. This one still needs to be joined to something. That's the normal. Now the second one, this one is filled up. This is filled up. There is something to join here. So if what you are joining is in the middle, you call it sec propyl. This one is filled up, this one, the middle one need to join. So if any parent name is coming, it must join to this middle one. And that is why we call it sec propyl. Let's move on. Now you have assignment to do. And all you need to do is to do it and put it in the comment button. Then I will know how great you are as a student. Write out all the isomers of butane. I have already done a video on the isomers of butane you could watch, but if you know exactly without watching, just write it at the comment side. Alkane and alkyl. Alkane as in A-L-K-A-N-E and alkyl as in A-L-K-Y-L. The differences: the molecular formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. That of alkyl is CnH2n plus 1. Now, look at this here. We have butyl under alkyl now. Butyl. Butyl is CH3, CH2, CH2, and CH2. It must have 4 carbon atoms and the number of hydrogen must be 7. It is butyl. Now look at this. Butane is C4H10. Butyl is C4H9. And butyl has 4 forms. You can write butyl in 4 ways. Look at the 4 ways. That should be a question you will answer in the comment part. The 4 ways of writing butyl. Number 1 is just butyl. Butyl. That's CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Now the second one is sec-butyl. Look at sec-butyl. Just as sec-propyl that time, this is sec-butyl. Just in between 2 carbon atoms, there must be an attachment. Something must be attached to this place that you are seeing the cursor now. Something must be attached to that place. That is sec-butyl. Let's go to the third one now. The third one is called isobutyl. Isobutyl, it will be attached to the front. Now, there is a link between this carbon and this one. So, this is methyl here, joining to this one. And this is iso. If the parent chain or the longest chain here is 3 carbon atoms, there is an attachment already. That's why we call it isobutyl. So anything that is coming to this place now is going to join to this place. This is where it will join. That's why we call it iso. Now the next or the fourth one is tarbutyl. Tarbutyl. Now this one has 1 methyl at the top, 1 methyl by this side, 1 methyl down, and this carbon atom that has 3 methyl already is the one that will have the other attachment. That is tarbutyl. Tarbutyl. Please take note of this and put them down in your work. Let's move on. Note that if a carbon branch on a chain is part of the aromatic ring or is attached to an aromatic ring, it is called ari. It is called ari. Ari is the aromatic ring minus 1 hydrogen atom. Now, take a full concentration of this. Look at this one now. This is methylphenyl. It is methylphenyl. This is the phenyl. The phenyl is C6H5. That is the phenyl. And the CH2 has become a methyl because it is CH2 because there is an attachment joining to the phenyl group. Now, IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. The question is, IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Now I give you an assignment. The assignment now is you are going to give me examples of ari. That is benzyl or benzene ring connecting other ones, connecting other chains. You can have benzene plus OH, that is phenol. You can have benzene plus CH3, that is toluene. So write them down in the comment part and let me view them. Thank you.